Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is my 41st algorithm video. In this task we are given a list, and in this list there are numbers, and we need to check whether the list contains all the numbers within the given range. The given range is defined by it starts from number 1 and it's end till number 2. So I make another blank list, number not present in the list, and I make a blank list for I in range number 1 till number 2. If I not in list check, I append the number not present in list with I. If number not present list is a blank list, I say all the numbers in the list check are present within the range given. Else I print then are not present within the given range, are not present in the list check within the given range. So as you can see, for this particular question, all the numbers ranging from 2 to 5 is present in list check. Now if I change the number to say 2 to 6, so 6 is not present in the given range. 6 is not present in this list. If I change the number to say from range 2 to 10, so 6, 9, 10, these are the numbers that are not present in the list check. This is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.